TV Talk, J Mike Show, presented by SoManyShows.com. What's up, everybody? It's Fireball.
Allergic to the sausage, too.
Oh, yeah. Finger in mouth. Mm-hmm.
Get your ass out the damn pantry.
Slide into the box.
It is delicious.
Jack off more.
I would want to watch Paul walking down the beach with his dog reading dirty letters. You certainly shouldn't do it in your pantry.
Jack off more.
Please. You loved every minute of it.
Hey, Jay.
I got a few stalkers out there, so.
I love the idea of Jay beating his mic.
Yesterday there was machetes being thrown, so.
Jack off more. I could not move it as far as they moved it, so it hurts.
Nobody wants to eat Mike.
That's a fundamental misunderstanding of masturbation.
I am magically delicious.
You don't even know why they sparkle? Is that what you're telling me?
Oh, yeah. Finger in mouth. Mm-hmm.
God bless America.
And it all makes sense.
Get your ass out the damn pantry.
Be halfway there.
Oh, well, maybe I need to have some evil backups just in case.
Oh my god, I love it. I have to go. I can't be on. Oh my god, you could. I'm putting ice cubes on my orchids.
I mean, they've been coming up here lately, but
I like whipped cream, hot fudge, no cherry.
I love the cherry. I love the cherry.
Jack off more.
I'm gonna hurt you. Shut up, my chili double.
J.
Blue bomber.
good chance of our self-hazard.
Kim, you still have control. Oh, God, I knew that was going to come up.
Like a level 8 creeper.
I love when people scream out my name.
Maybe not.
My sends you right to the pantry. We might not talk sandwiches, but we will talk TV.
I got time for that nonsense.
Oh, Jay!
I mean, that's like a pedophile.
Pedophile, there you go. I was convinced that Beth had like some secret meaning for the word Polish dog, and it was.
We were snorkeling. I think screwing it is part of the problem, Jay. It takes time to pull out, really.
And then, Mike, I struggled with yours. I really struggled with yours. Screw it. We'll talk about tacos another night.
That's impressive.
I think I'm pregnant.
Who's got the fireball going already?
Yummy. I want it again.
She could wear the skin.
That whipped cream and the cherry is very important.
I'm now sitting up on my bed, which I should not be doing right now.
What? That's not sex life.
I mean, I want a real life purge, but you know, can't always have what you want.